This is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I discussed about the various V's of big data which we are used in the recent trends. So the next we will see about what is data warehouse and what is the functions we are used. So in this session, so the five V's. So the five V's are volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. So the volume is a data generated today from social media. The volume of data which will be generated from social media, IoT devices, transactions, records, and the messages which we are be communicated with some others. These are all the volume of data which will be used in today's life. So traditional data storage and processing solutions are often inadequate to handle this efficiency. So big data analytics and cloud solution enable the organizations to store and manage these large amount of data set effectively. So the next is velocity. So the velocity is produced in a unprecedented speeds. So from the real time media updates the high frequency stack trading tech records. The velocity at which data follows into an organization requires a robust processing capabilities to capture this process and deliver the accurate results in this real time. So the next is variety. So variety of data, that the data will be either structured format, unstructured, or semi structured. These are all the format. Variety of data will be used in this process. So these are all some text, video, images, or audio which will be shared in social media. These are all type of data will be shared in this social media. So the next is veracity. So data reliability and accuracy are critical in these as decisions based on inaccurate or incomplete data. So veracity refers to the data's worthiness, truthworthiness of data quality, noise, anomaly detection is useless. So these techniques and tools for data cleaning, these techniques and tools for data cleaning, validation and verification are integral, ensuring integrity of big data. So the next is value, that it aims to extract the insights that offer tangible value. So that is a truth value which will be collected from the historical data. So this involves turning vast data sets into a meaningful information, which the meaningful information which is collected from what we are gathered based on the historical data. So advanced analytics, machine learning, and AI are used in this process for this data. So some operations which are we used is collect data, process data, clean data, analyze data. So these are all the operations which we are used in this big data processing. Collect data, the first step is collecting the data from all the resources which we are used, either social media or some organizations or healthcare. It's anything will be the data gathered from that particular person and processing the data. So from that data which we are collected, we change the data into a meaningful insights. From that, then clean data, the clean data which will be included, we remove which data are not included in this collection of data. So the next one is analyze data. So we analyze the data which we are collected and which we are cleaned from that. So we analyze the data and change the database into a meaningful one. So the next one is a data warehouse. So this is a technique. So data warehouse is a technique for gathering and managing the information from different sources to supply significant commercial enterprise insights. So we first analyze the data and do the processing. So it will be a convenient for small volume of data. So it will be a logic to process the data. So in this it is a fixed configuration and it will be a high security, and it is mainly used for business professionals. So in this data warehousing, the database management system which is used to store the data in the table format uses an AR model, that is entity relationship model. So the for example collection of tables of students, details based on the students and faculties. So the data warehouse is a separate from database management system. It stores a huge amount of data. It collected from multiple heterogeneous sources like files, DBMS, etc. And the goal is to produce statistical result, and it may help in decision making. So for a example, college might want to quick different results like how to placements CS students improved over the last 10 years in terms of salaries, counts, etc. So thank you.